Warning, this spaghetti is extra creamy. Make sure itong creamy spaghetti ang handa mo sa birthday. Simulan sa paggisa ng bawang at sibuyas sa kaunting mantika. Idagdag ang ground pork and cook until lightly brown. Ibuhos ang tomato sauce, banana ketchup, and sliced hot dogs for that signature sweet, savory flavor. Lagyan ng tubig at pakuluin for 10 minutes. Next, season with Maggi Magic Sarap, a bit of brown sugar and cheese to balance the flavors. Now, for that extra indulgent touch, pour in Nestle All-Purpose Cream. This is the key ingredient that makes the sauce lusciously creamy and rich. Lutuin ang spaghetti ayon sa nakasaad sa packaging pagkatapos ay ihalo sa sauce until well-coated. So creamy, this is a guaranteed party favorite.
Sobrang creamy and sobrang indulgent.
Going cream impressive ang sarap with Nestle All-Purpose Cream. Follow us for more recipes.